Have you ever sent an invoice in QuickBooks Online and realized something was off? Maybe the amount, the description, or even the customer's details. Don't panic. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to edit customer invoices in QuickBooks Online the right way. By the end of this video, you'll be able to fix mistakes, update details, and keep your books accurate without creating a mess in your records. Stick with me. This will save you time and frustration. First, let's understand why editing invoices matters. An incorrect invoice can lead to payment delays, accounting errors, or even tax complications. QuickBooks Online makes it simple to correct these issues if you follow the right steps. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. From the left-hand menu, click on Sales and then select Invoices. This is where you'll see the full list of invoices you've sent or drafted. Find the invoice you want to edit. If it's already sent, don't worry. You can still make changes as long as the payment hasn't been finalized. Click on the invoice to open it, and then hit the Edit button. Here, you can update several details. Customer information. Make sure the name, email, or billing address is correct. Invoice date and due date. Adjust if there was a scheduling error. Products or services. Add, remove, or modify line items as needed. Amounts and taxes. Update prices, quantities, or tax rates to reflect the correct totals. Once you've made your changes, click Save and Send if you want to resend the updated invoice to your customer, or choose Save and Close if you only want to update it internally. Keep in mind, if the invoice has already been paid or partially paid, editing it might affect your accounting reports. In that case, consider creating a credit memo or issuing a new invoice instead of altering the original record. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit customer invoices in QuickBooks Online for 2025. This small step ensures your books stay accurate and your customers get the right information every time. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover another topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.